Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to take charge of your finances in 2025? We all know that getting out of debt and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But hey, we're in this together and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips for paying off debt and achieving financial freedom. Stay tuned till the end because I've got a special announcement that will help you on your journey. Tip No. 1. Know your numbers. Before you can develop a plan to pay off your debt, you need to understand exactly how much you owe. Take some time to list out all your debts, including credit cards, personal loans, student loans, and any other outstanding balances. Write down the total amount you owe, the interest rate, and the minimum payment due date for each debt. By knowing your numbers, you can create a budget and develop a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. Tip No. 2. Create a budget. Once you know how much debt you have, it's time to create a budget. A budget will help you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. There are many ways to create a budget, but I recommend using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier. Tip No. 3. Choose a debt payoff strategy. There are several different strategies you can use to pay off your debt. Two of the most popular methods are the Snowball method and the Avalanche method. The Snowball method involves paying off your smallest debt first, then using that momentum to pay off larger debts. The Avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. No matter which method you choose, the most important thing is to stay consistent with your payments. Tip No. 4. Cut expenses and find extra income. To pay off your debt faster, you need to free up extra cash. Take a close look at your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. This may mean eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives to your current expenses. You can also look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle, asking for a raise at work, or selling items you no longer need. Every little bit counts when it comes to paying off debt. Tip No. 5. Stay motivated. Paying off debt can be a long process, but it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goal. Reward yourself for milestones along the way, such as paying off a certain amount of debt or reaching a specific savings goal. Celebrate your successes and use them as motivation to keep going. Tip No. 6. Build an emergency fund. One of the reasons people fall into debt is because they don't have money set aside for emergencies. When unexpected expenses rise, they turn to credit cards or loans to help them cover the costs. To avoid this, start building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least $1,000 to begin with, and then work your way up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. An emergency fund will give you a safety net to fall back on when unexpected expenses rise. And it'll prevent you from turning to debt to help you cover the costs. And there you have it. My top tips for paying off debt and achieving financial freedom. But wait, I promised you something special, didn't I? I am excited to announce that we have a fantastic community of over 5,000 members who are on a journey to financial freedom just like you. Joining this community, you'll find support, motivation, and helpful resources to help you on your journey. Plus, you'll have access to exclusive content and opportunities that are not available to the public. Don't wait. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you join our community of over 8,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.